And once the error disappears and you're able to access online services again, the issue is resolved and you can get back to gaming without interruptions. The WS-116332 or WS-116332-6 error on the PlayStation 5 usually appears when access to PlayStation Network services is temporarily blocked or when there's a system or network issue. If the error continues even after basic fixes, the final step is to contact Sony PlayStation support. Their support team can check for account restrictions, regional outages, or deeper system problems that can't be fixed from your side. Before that, you can try restoring your PS5 to factory settings. This should only be done as a last resort, so make sure to back up your data first. Go to Settings, select System, then Reset Options, choose Reset Your Console, and follow the on-screen instructions. Another effective solution is rebuilding the PS5 database. Turn off your console completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable and select Rebuild Database. This process fixes corrupted system data and may take a few minutes. If that doesn't help, check for system software updates. Go to Settings, select System, then System Software Update, and install any available updates. Outdated software can trigger access-related errors like this one. Before trying anything else, always start by checking your internet connection. Go to Settings, select Network, and run a test internet connection. If the connection is weak or fails, restart your router or move your console closer to the Wi-Fi source. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explained how to fix the PS5WS111632 error step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other gamers. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.